good morning. I am Pamela Maribi Akio from grade 11 UMS 1 and I am the group leader of group 5 in empowerment. And our assigned topic is the Word document application. So let's start. There are various kinds of materials that Microsoft Word is capable of integrating to make your documents more richer, more impressive, and more informative. One can easily get excited and instead to create a collage of what is generally called image and arts rather than an enriched text documents. So one important thing to remember is that image and other materials are not to be inserted as image for design purposes only, but they are used to enhance or to improve the effectiveness of the message that you want to convey in a text. And in word processing, it means that word document application, it's included in the word processing because in word processing, you can compose your own text, edit, and formatting your own text. Word processing programs such as Microsoft Word in addition to working with text. Also, Microsoft Word can provide tools to insert pictures, edit photos, and draw objects, and produce graphic organizers to produce more interesting and informative text.
Pictures. Pictures, generally, these are the electronic or digital pictures or photographs you have saved in any local storage device. There are three commonly used types of picture paths. You can identify them by the extension of their file names. This is generally a GIF type line art or drawings or image used as generic representation for ideas and objects that you might want to integrate in your documents. Shapes. These are printable objects or materials that you can integrate in your document or to enhance its appearance or to allow to have some tools to use for composing and representing ideas or messages. If you are designing the layout for the poster or other graphic material for advertising, you might find this useful.
Chart, a sheet or information in the form of a table, graph, or diagram. Chart is the visualization of data. It is very useful if you would like to present a spreadsheet of data. For the brain, it is quite hard to identify patterns, trend, and gaps if you show only the numbers in a table. But if you show a graph, then it is much easier to recognize them. An image of the data displayed on the screen of a computer or mobile device. So, screenshot means capturing a static image of a device display. In other words, it takes a picture of whatever shows on the computer, mobile, or tablet screen at the same time. Screenshot can be useful for many situations, such as sharing screen images with friends on social media, showcasing software for a review, demonstrating how to do something in a tutorial, or even showing an error message or software issue for technical support troubleshooting.
Image placement, number 1, in line with text. This setting is usually used when you need to place your image at the beginning of the paragraph. When placed between text in a paragraph or sentences, it distorts overall appearance and arrangement of text in paragraph because it will take up the space. It needs vertically pushing full lines of text upward. Number 2 is square. Allows the image you inserted to be placed anywhere within the paragraph with the text going around the image in a square pattern like a frame. Number 3, tight. Almost same as the square setting, but here the text hugs or conforms to the general shape of the image. This allows you to get a more creative effect on your document. Number 4, through. Allows the text on your document to flow even tighter, taking the contours and shape of the image.
Behind text, allow your image to drag and place anywhere on your document but with all text floating in front of it. It effectively makes your image look like a background. How to do that? When you have an image, then type a text in front of it. When you want to behind text, when you want to do that, you need to remove the word or the line that in front to make it look like it's behind you. Top and bottom. This setting pushes the text away vertically to the top and or the bottom of the image so that the image occupies the whole text line on its own. For example, when an image is floated left and there is not enough content to fill space on the right of the image, the effect of the float can be cleared with. In front of text, this setting allows your image to be placed right on the top of the text as if your image was dropped right on it. That means whatever part of the text you place the image on, it will be covered by the image. This is easy. Because when you have a picture, you can type in front of it. That's easy. You can do that.